Dr. Palermo with this week's Motivational Monday. So did you know that what you eat may be helping or hindering your sleep? I know this is probably not big news, but I'm not talking about the big meal or eating too much or eating spicy or fatty food before you go to bed. That kind of goes without saying. I'm talking about a diet that is rich in fruits, starchy vegetables, and non-starchy vegetables has actually been shown to increase not just the quality of sleep, but the length of sleep as well. In fact, a study in 2016 that was written in the Journal of Sleep Medicine showed that diets that were high in sugar and refined carbohydrates showed the individuals eating those foods took longer to fall asleep, didn't sleep as deeply, and woke more often in the night. Also, if you haven't figured out, alcohol can have that same sort of effect. While you might get sleepy and fall asleep easier, you're less likely to get into that deep sleep, and you definitely have shortened REM sleep. In addition, you wake more often in the night, usually looking for water too. Part of the reason our diet influences our sleep is through the action of our gut microbiome. So our good gut bugs are actually responsible for making serotonin, that's your calming parasympathetic neurotransmitter, and also melatonin. 80% of serotonin is produced in your gut through the enterochromaffin cells, and over 400 times of the melatonin made in your body is made by your good gut bugs. That's way more than what's made in the pineal gland, which is in your brain. As we eat foods that make our good bacteria happy, the good bacteria reward us by producing more of the serotonin and melatonin. A 2020 study found that when individuals ate a diet high in carbs and refined carbohydrates, their good gut bacteria reduced the production of these very important neurotransmitters. Not getting sleep can affect us as well. Individuals who get less than 5.5 hours of sleep tend to look for those refined carbohydrates and sugars the next day, if you haven't ever noticed that after a night of fitful sleep. Those who follow a Mediterranean diet, as shown in a 2020 Journal of Nutrition, they found that they slept longer, slept deeper, and woke less in the middle of the night. So changing your diet will not only change your waistline, it can also change your sleep. That's all for now, and have a great week.